Beautiful people, the turkey is not brine. I have it soaking in a brine overnight. It's like 12 hours, and it's time for us to remove it from the brine. You want to have your gloves on and all of that. Wow. Moving the turkey from the brine, and you just want to turn it upside down, so drain all that brine from it. So with the turkey is brine now, guys, we're just gonna move on to phase 2. So in a bowl, I have 1 onion already peeled and rinsed. I have 5 cloves of garlic, 1 carrot, about 3 to 4 bay leaf, and some fresh thyme. Need some butter, about 6 tablespoons of butter or 4. Gonna need like 1 to 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 pack of sazon, some browning, like 1 to 2 tablespoons, and a little adobo, all-purpose seasoning. So moving along, you're also gonna need a roasting pan, whatever you want to use. So this is my roasting pan for the turkey. And the Cajun seasoning, because I will be doing Cajun turkey. First, you want to lift the turkey skin. We're gonna lift the skin. We don't want to tear it or anything. So you're just gonna use 2 fingers and you're just gonna slide it under. We just want to get the skin up from the meat. Remember, we don't need a lot of seasoning on the turkey because it already brined in a lot of spice and herbs. You just wanna get your hand, you see my hand going up under the skin without it tear. You don't want to tear it or anything. And you're gonna get the butter, and we're gonna rub the butter under the skin. You want to ensure you have a gloves on. And just be gentle, because you just don't want to tear. Spin it around. You're gonna come under from this side. Just gently pull the skin up. So you're gonna put the butter on the outside of the turkey skin too. Just rub the butter on the outer coat. And we're gonna stuff the cavity with the carrot. And our onion. thyme, the garlic, the bay leaf, you're going to combine all the seasoning together. Use it on the outer side and in the cavity and all over on the turkey. And the browning, we're just gonna put some browning, and this, you can use soy sauce, you don't have to use a browning. I'm just gonna turn it over on the side. Some more browning in the hand, just a little. You don't want to be using too much browning. Lift the hands up, the wings. I say hands. Laugh at Didan. And just put some more browning on this side. You see this much? Just a little. And the wing, you're going to tuck the wing under. Just want to tuck the wing under the leg, just like that. If you don't tuck the wing under, when it bakes, the wings will be like this, sitting all over the place like that, and you don't want that to happen. So just put the wing under. I'm just gonna place the turkey on the baking tray. I'll place the turkey right there. And I'm just gonna get the juices from the board on the breast. So I'm placing the chicken stock, 2 cups, in the roasting pan. You're not going to pour it on top of the turkey, you just pour it in the pan itself. So you're going to preheat the oven to 300 degrees. In the meantime, the oven is preheating. You're just gonna wrap. Yeah, you got to wrap the turkey. Aluminum foil. And you preheat the oven to 300 degrees. And you're gonna put it in the oven for 2 hours. Roughly it takes 3 hours to bake. So we're gonna bake it covered for 2 hours, and then we're gonna move the foil paper and we're gonna bake it for a next hour. So after 2 hours, when I remove the foil paper, I'll be back to you to show you how it's looking. And then we're gonna heat the oven to 200 degrees and put it on cover to bake. So roughly it's 3 hours. I put it in the oven. Here it goes. So see you back, beautiful people, in 2 hours time. Beautiful people, the oven is going off. So it's time we check in on our turkey. Remember, this is just 2 hours. So we're gonna have 1 more hour to put it back in the oven. So I'm just removing the file paper so you see what it's looking like on the inside. Just grab and move. Look, so this is our turkey right now, and I'm gonna place it uncovered in the oven for 1 more hour at 200 degrees. The Cajun turkey is now ready for heating. Thanksgiving is in the air. So guys, I already did a video on baked turkey or roast turkey in the oven, and this is Cajun turkey. I do a video with salt brine, and I do a video with liquid brine. So hopefully you enjoy this video today. Look at our Thanksgiving Day turkey. It's ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious? Yes. So why not? Why not? Go ahead, give it a try. I know you will love it. So you know what we're gonna do? Dive in this now. So I'm gonna dive in this way. I'm gonna break the piece of the wing to show you how tender the turkey is. Wow, look at this. You just hold the wing and just take it up like this. Look at this, guys. Wow. Look at this. So juicy and tender. Look how crispy. Oh, it looking and mild. You wanna have some with me? Baked Cajun turkey. Look how tender it's looking. It's all dropping, falling from the bone. Oh, OMG. Beautiful people, give it a try. I thank you. I love you. Please take care. And above all, please remember to take care of each other. One love, peace. I see you on the next one. Bye for now.